J.An V. Clorado, Mapei Company Commander Zaijan Cariaga, Mapei Company XO Jason B. Investro, First Platoon Leader Russell J. Ponzon, Second Platoon Leader Hasmin A. Samaliero, School Head Erinia Saison, CTP Mapei Facilitator Tomas L. Barandon, CTP Mapei Assistant Facilitator Aisa L. Dangkalan, Major Coordinator Mariata S. Lurin, Major Trainer Donna Fe C. Dasilio, DXMC DLC Coordinator Romeo Benjo Albeza, DXMC DLC Assistant Coordinator Daisy P. Barandon. NC number 20, Malawag National High School, Malawag, Nabwa, Camarines Sur. Thank you. Entry number 20.
Announcement. Pag-usay man po ang makairibalan ng mga faculty and staff kang Holy Trinity College of Bato, Camarines Sur. Ikaw pa po